Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the next topic, angle of depression. Already we learned about the angle of elevation and the problems involving angle of elevation. Now we can see what is an angle of depression. After we can see what is the difference of angle of elevation and the angle of depression. Okay. So now see, angle of depression means the angle of depression is an angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line. Okay. So you know that already we have seen angle how it will form. The line of sight with the horizontal line only the angle will form. So now see here, angle of elevation means, so you know that the angle how it will form, the line of sight and the horizontal line in between only the angle will form. Okay, so already we saw this example. So here one tree is there, one man is standing on the ground only. Okay, so the man is standing some distance away from this tree. Now the horizontal line, how will you draw? So you know that eye of the observer to the point where he's looking. Now he looks at straight only. When he looks at straight, that line is called an horizontal line. After, when he looks at the top of the tree, know that the line drawn from the eye of the observer to the point where he is looking, now he is looking at the top of the tree. So this line is called a line of sight. Okay, so this line of sight makes some angle with this horizontal line. So this angle is theta. Why we are saying this angle is an angle of elevation means, you know that this angle formed above the horizontal line only. So like that you can remember. Otherwise, this line of sight is above the horizontal line only. Okay, so that's why we are saying that angle is called an angle of elevation. Angle of depression means the angle will form below the horizontal line only the angle will form. Okay, so now see, the angle of depression means the angle of depression is an angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line. You know that angle will form the line of sight with the horizontal line only, but below the horizontal, when the point is below the horizontal level. But here the angle will form above this is the horizontal line, above the horizontal line only the angle will form. That angle is called an angle of elevation. But the angle of depression means the angle will form below the horizontal line. Okay, so now see here, here this is the ground. Here on the ground one ball is there. Okay, so this is the ground point. Now here one tower. Okay, so on the top of the tower one man is standing. Angle of elevation means the man is standing on the ground, but the angle of depression means the man is standing on the top of the tower or top of tree, top of the building, like that only they will give. Okay, so here now see, on the top of the tower one man is standing. Okay, now the angle how it will form, you know that the line of sight with the horizontal line only the angle will form. Horizontal line means, you know that eye of the observer to the point where he is looking at straight only, that horizontal, that line is called a horizontal line. So you know that when he looks at straight, this line is the horizontal line. Okay, so here when he stands on the ground, when he looks at straight, this is the horizontal line. But here now he is standing on the top of the tower. Okay, so this is the horizontal line. Okay, when he looks at straight, after the ball is on the ground. Okay, so now he is looking at the bottom only. So the line of sight, how will you draw? You know that line of sight mean eye of the observer to the point where he is looking. Now he is looking at the bottom only. Okay, so this line is called a line of sight. Now this line of sight makes some angle with this horizontal line. Okay, so this angle, that is theta. So here this horizontal line, above the horizontal line only the angle is formed. But here the angle of depression, so the line of sight is here. Okay, so horizontal line is here. Below the horizontal line only the angle is formed. Now see, this is the horizontal line. Below the horizontal line only the angle is formed. Okay, so the line of sight is below the horizontal line. So that's why we are saying this angle is called an angle of depression. Can you understood or not? So angle of elevation means the angle will form above the horizontal line. Okay, so here angle of depression means below the horizontal line only the angle will form. Okay, so angle means, you know that the line of sight with the horizontal line only the angle will form. Horizontal line means, you know that when he looks at straight, that is the horizontal line. Okay, so after line of sight mean from the top to bottom, if he looks the line of sight. Okay, so here bottom to top. Okay, so easily like that you can remember. Here the angle of depression means top to bottom he looks, but here the angle of elevation means bottom to top only he looks. Okay, so that is the difference of angle of depression and the angle of elevation. After, one more thing, you know that, so this angle and this angle. Okay, so both one is, what is it? You know that is the alternate angles. Already I have said. So this like is is such shape like that you have or not? Yes. Okay, so that is the alternate angle. So this angle and this angle both on the same only. So you know that this angle mean that is angle of elevation, this angle mean angle of depression. Okay, so both angles are equal only. For example, here 60 degree means this also 60 degree only it will come. So easily you can remember this is such shape like that. Okay, so this both angles are alternate angles. This means you know that is angle of depression. This means here means you know that is angle of elevation. Both angles are equal only. Here 60 degree means here also 60 degree only it will come. Okay, so now you can see the next example.